Welcome to the Derivative Outlook on 20th May 2023. I will be covering majorly on Nifty, Bank Nifty and some sectoral indices. This is a Nifty future chart of last 5 session where we can see Bank Nifty has rose from 18,233 level to 18,475 level. After that it has corrected and finally closed towards 18,231 level, which is a 0.61% down in the week on week basis. In that, open interest has come down from 2.82%, suggesting a long unwinding of position in the Nifty future. Additionally, we have seen a decrease in IV levels from 12 to 10.3 level, which is suggesting a lower option premium. PCR has also come down from 1.3 level to 1.01 level, which is neither overbought or neither oversold. Basis has also slightly risen from 23.20 to 25 level towards the end of the week. This is the Bank Nifty future chart of last 5 sessions where Bank Nifty has rose from 43,400 level towards 44,100 level, which is the all-time high Bank Nifty level. Again, it has come down and finally it settled around 43,992 level on Friday, which is a 0.4% higher on week basis, with the rise in open interest of 12.5%, suggesting a build-up of long position in the Bank Nifty. IV has also fell throughout the week. It has come down from 15 level to 13.3 level, suggesting a lower option premium. PCI's level has bounced from 0.75 levels to 1.14 level on Friday. Basis has also turned slightly positive. The basis was there due to the dividend announcement by banking stocks. This is a Nifty PCI chart where we can see at 18,300, 18,400 and 18,500 where the maximum call rating has already happened, suggesting a resistance on that level in the near term, whereas 17,800 to 18,000 Nifty level where the maximum put rating has already happened, suggesting a support around that level. If in coming session Nifty able to breach that 18,500 level, then we can expect Nifty heading higher towards 18,700 to 18,800 level. This is a Bank Nifty PCI chart where we can see at 44,000 followed by 44,500 where the maximum call rating is already happened, suggesting a resistance around that level in the near term, whereas 43,800 followed by 43,500 has maximum put rating is already happened, suggesting a support around that level in the near term. If Bank Nifty able to sustain above 44,000 in the coming session, then we can expect Bank Nifty heading towards its all-time high level of 44,500 followed by 45,000. There is no major change in the FI's long to short ratio in the last week. It has managed to sustain near one level. This is a sectoral open-ended data analysis of last week, where we can see cement, technology, and realty saw a build-up of long position, whereas capital goods, power, pharma, and oil and gas saw a build-up of short position in the last week. This is a heat map of last week where we can see build-up of short position in Siemens, Zydus, Lalpatlat, whereas build-up of long position was observed in Birlasoft, Adani Port, Motherson Sumi, Persistence. Short covering was observed around Ramco Cement, Adani Enterprises, Oberoi Realty, whereas long unwinding was seen in Bandhan Bank and Phenoms Delta Corp. Outlook for the Nifty and Bank Nifty future for the coming week. Long unwinding was seen in the Nifty future over the week, with the highest call open interest is around 18,000 levels, suggesting a support around that level in the near term. Put writing was seen around 17,800 to 18,000 levels, suggesting a support around that level in the near term, whereas call writing was observed near around 18,400 to 18,500 levels, suggesting a resistance around that level in the near term. If Nifty able to breach above 18,500 level, then Nifty may head towards 18,800 level followed by 18,900 level in the coming weeks. Bank Nifty Bank Nifty saw a long build-up of position in the last week. The trading range for the Bank Nifty is expected to be between 43,500 to 45,000 in the coming sessions. Call rating was seen around 44,500 level followed by 45,000 level, suggesting that traders are expecting higher levels for the Bank Nifty in the coming session. Support level were observed around 43,500 to 43,000 level, indicating that buying interest may emerge at those levels if the price of the index falls.
That's all for this video. We hope you like this video and find the information provided useful. If you have any comments or suggestion, do reach out to us. Thank you.